I bought these heating pads to try them out and I love them. They are super soft and have a smooth lavender smell which is so relaxing. I have only used the eye pillow on my eyes and forehead for a pressure headache and it did the job very well. I do wish though that I had remembered to place them in a zipped plastic bag when not in use because the lavender smell did fade slowly. My favorite feature about this product wasn't the smell even though it was a bonus but how soft the outer material is. Buy it. You won't regret it. It smells so good when heated. I have so much musculoskeletal pain and this really helps. I'm on my second one, I keep one home and one to travel with. Relieves soreness, it's weighed, it can be heated or put in the freezer. I use it both ways. I love this wrap. I heat it for 2:30 and it lasts about 10 minutes. I've used it during my TV time and my pup joined me. Total peace smile. Both my husband and I love this heating pad for neck and shoulders. Highly recommend it. I really like the heating pad. It's useful for me every night after work I used it, and whenever I felt cramped it helps a lot. Smells so fragrant and help me feels relaxing. Also I love it. I love it. If I can give 10 I would love to give them. It's a great product. But it came with one of the shoulder pad empty and flat as seen in the pictures. 50% happy. I really like this microwavable moist heat pad because the stitching is as such that it's compartmentalized so the kids stay in place and don't all go to one side or another like all of the other products do in this category. They're basically just bean bags. This is well thought out. Click link in description for more reviews.